So I got this kitchen out. Getting ready to take that down and put that line in. Now we're starting to backfill. Well, bed down, not backfill, but bed down, bed it down. This is the tap for the kitchen. There. We'll go across there. And over to the kitchen. There's your shower. And there's your laundry box. Okay. So I just want to catch you up to date with what's going on. This is a sink. Toilet. The sink is extending down and coming out. Coming out of the wall. You have to cut and cap some waters, and some waters we'll use. Okay, so I'll give you an update. Alright. AC out. Shalom.